Welcome to our deep dive into mastering the agent engineering stack. Today we'll walk through the complete journey of building intelligent agents, from rapid prototyping to production-grade deployment. Whether you're a developer just starting out or an experienced engineer looking to refine your workflow, this guide will provide practical insights and hands-on examples. We'll focus on 3 essential phases, each with its own tools and goals, ensuring you gain both speed and control as you progress. Let's set the stage for a transformative learning experience as we explore the tools and techniques that power modern AI agents. Our journey is structured around 3 practical phases that mirror the real-world lifecycle of agent development. First, we'll focus on rapid prototyping, where speed and simplicity are paramount. Next, we'll dive into gaining granular control, allowing for custom logic and complex workflows. Finally, we'll tackle the challenge of achieving production-grade quality, ensuring reliability and scalability. Each phase introduces a new tool, LangChain, langgraph, and langsmith, designed to address the unique needs of that stage. By following this roadmap, you'll be equipped to build, refine, and deploy agents with confidence. Let's kick things off with Phase 1, rapid prototyping. At this stage, the goal is to ship a functional agent as quickly as possible, using minimal code and leveraging pre-built architectures. LangChain is the tool of choice here, offering a vast library of model integrations and high-level abstractions. This approach is perfect for initial development, allowing you to focus on your agent's core functionality without getting bogged down in boilerplate. Speed and simplicity are the key value propositions, making it easy to get started and iterate quickly. LangChain empowers developers to move fast by providing pre-built agent architectures and over 1,000 model integrations. Its high-level components, such as tool calling and React, minimize the need for repetitive code. This means you can focus on building your agent's unique features rather than reinventing the wheel. For our practical example, we'll build a simple research assistant that leverages a web search tool, demonstrating just how quickly you can go from idea to working prototype with LangChain. To illustrate the power of LangChain, let's walk through building a simple research assistant. We'll use the Agent Executor tool, which orchestrates the agent's interaction with tools like web search. By defining the agent's capabilities and leveraging pre-built prompts, we can assemble a functional assistant in just a few lines of code. This approach highlights the core advantage of LangChain: rapid development without sacrificing essential features. The result is a prototype that's ready to handle real user queries. Let's take a closer look at the code behind our research assistant. We start by importing the necessary LangChain components and defining the agent's tools, in this case, a web search capability. Using a factory function, we assemble the agent with a pre-built prompt and connect it to the Agent Executor. This runtime environment manages the agent's interactions, repeatedly invoking the agent and its tools as needed. Finally, we run the agent with a user's question and receive the result, demonstrating the end-to-end workflow in action. With our prototype up and running, it's time to reflect on what comes next. While pre-built agents excel at standard tasks, real-world problems often demand more explicit control over the agent's reasoning logic. What if you need a human in the loop for approvals, or want to enforce specific tool calls or moderation steps? These scenarios reveal the limitations of black box executors like Agent Executor, prompting us to seek more granular control for complex workflows. Enter Phase 2, gaining granular control. Here we move beyond pre-built solutions and start building custom, stateful agents using low-level primitives. LangGraph is the tool that puts you in the driver's seat, allowing you to define agents as explicit graphs. This approach provides unmatched flexibility and reliability, enabling you to create bespoke workflows tailored to your unique requirements. Let's see how LangGraph transforms agent development. LangGraph's core idea is to build agents as state graphs, where each node represents a function, such as a tool or model call, and edges define the conditional logic that directs the agent's flow. This structure enables cycles, branches, and even human-in-the-loop checkpoints. By explicitly defining each step, you gain full transparency and control over your agent's behavior, making it easier to handle complex, real-world scenarios. LangGraph, the agent state, acts as a scratchpad or memory, persisting information as the agent moves through the workflow. This state is typically a Python dictionary that gets updated at each step. Nodes, on the other hand, are just regular Python functions that operate on the state. By designing your workflow as a series of nodes and transitions, you create a transparent and maintainable agent architecture. Real power of LangGraph comes from wiring nodes together with conditional edges. Routing logic determines how the agent moves from one node to another, enabling dynamic decision-making. For example, after a tool is called, the agent can loop back for further reasoning or end the workflow if no more actions are needed. This explicit control flow replaces the black box approach, giving you full visibility into your agent's logic. With your agent graph defined, you can now observe its reasoning in real time. By streaming the output of each node as it executes, you gain step-by-step visibility into the agent's decision-making process. This transparency is invaluable for debugging and refining your workflow, ensuring that each action is both intentional and traceable. As the agent processes a user query, you can watch each node's output in sequence. For example, the agent node might generate a tool call, which is then handled by the action node. The results are fed back into the agent for further reasoning, creating a transparent cycle of decision-making. This level of insight is a game changer for debugging and optimization. Running an agent locally is a great start, but production environments introduce new challenges. Agents often produce dense, non-deterministic outputs, making debugging and monitoring more complex. To ensure reliability at scale, you need robust engineering practices and dedicated infrastructure. This brings us to the next phase, achieving production-grade quality. For deploying agents in production, several critical questions must be addressed. How do you debug non-deterministic LLM outputs? How can you monitor cost, latency, and token usage across thousands of runs? What's the best way to evaluate performance and prevent regressions? And finally, how do you deploy agents that require long-running, stateful workloads with human collaboration? These challenges demand specialized tools and workflow. Debugging agents powered by large language models can be tricky, especially when outputs are unpredictable. Identifying the root cause of a bad response requires detailed traces and step-by-step visibility into the agent's reasoning. Without the right tools, this process can be time-consuming and frustrating. That's why observability is a cornerstone of production-grade agent engineering. In production, it's essential to monitor key metrics such as cost, latency, and token usage. Live dashboards and alerts help you stay on top of business-critical indicators, ensuring your agents perform reliably at scale. Effective monitoring not only helps catch issues early but also provides the data needed for ongoing optimization. Evaluating agent performance is an ongoing process. By creating test sets from production data and scoring results with both LLM and heuristic-based evaluators, you can systematically improve your agent's quality. This approach helps prevent regressions and provides concrete evidence that your agent is getting better over time. Deploying agents in production requires infrastructure that can handle long-running, stateful workloads. Standard solutions often fall short, especially when human collaboration is needed. Specialized platforms are designed to support these unique demands, ensuring your agents remain robust and responsive under real-world conditions. Welcome to Phase 3, Production-Grade Engineering. At this stage, LangSmith becomes the centerpiece of your agent stack. LangSmith provides the critical infrastructure needed to build, operate, and scale reliable AI agents. With features like observability, evaluation, deployment, and monitoring, LangSmith gives you the visibility and control required for enterprise-grade applications. LangSmith's observability tools let you see exactly what's happening at every step of your agent's workflow. Detailed traces make it easy to find failures, understand agent behavior, and quickly identify areas for improvement. This level of insight is essential for maintaining high-quality, reliable agents in production. With LangSmith, you can build test sets directly from production data and use them to evaluate your agent's performance. By scoring results with both LLM and heuristic-based evaluators, you can iterate quickly and move your agent from OK to great. This data-driven approach ensures continuous improvement and robust quality assurance. LangSmith's deployment infrastructure is purpose-built for long-running, stateful agent workloads. It supports human oversight and collaboration, making it ideal for complex, real-world applications. With LangSmith, you can ship agents with confidence, knowing that your infrastructure is up to the task. Stay on top of your agent's performance with live dashboards and real-time alerts. LangSmith tracks business-critical metrics like cost and latency, providing the insights you need to optimize and scale your agents effectively. This proactive monitoring ensures your agents remain reliable and efficient. Integrating LangSmith into your workflow is effortless. Simply set a few environment variables and every run of your LangChain or langgraph app is automatically traced and visualized. No changes to your Python scripts are required, making it easy to add observability and debugging capabilities to your existing projects. With tracing enabled, you gain clear visibility into each step of your agent's workflow. You can inspect inputs and outputs for every node, turning your agent from a black box into a transparent, debuggable process. This makes it much easier to identify issues and optimize performance. Observability is just the beginning. LangSmith provides workflows to systematically improve, test, and scale your agent. Identify interesting or failed runs in production, save traces as test cases, and use data-driven feedback to iterate and enhance your agent's logic and tools. LangSmith's deployment and monitoring features give you the confidence to ship improvements and monitor performance in real time. With one click, you can add traces to your dataset, run evaluators, and score quality. This tight feedback loop ensures your agents are always improving and performing at their best. Continuous improvement is at the heart of production-grade agent engineering. Modify your prompts, logic, or tools based on data-driven feedback. Use evaluators to score your test sets and identify areas for enhancement. This iterative process ensures your agents remain effective and reliable as requirements evolve. LangChain ecosystem offers an integrated stack for every stage of agent development. From rapid prototyping with LangChain to custom logic with langgraph and production-grade engineering with LangSmith, you have the right tool for every job. This unified approach streamlines your workflow and accelerates your path from idea to deployment. LangChain remains the go-to framework for developers who value speed and simplicity. Its open-source nature and extensive library of integrations make it easy to get started and iterate quickly. Whether you're building a prototype or refining an existing agent, LangChain provides the foundation you need. For developers who need more control, LangGraph offers a powerful way to build custom, stateful agents. Its graph-based architecture enables complex workflows, explicit logic, and seamless integration with other tools. LangGraph sets the foundation for scalable, reliable AI workloads. LangSmith completes the stack by providing the critical infrastructure needed for production-grade agent engineering. With observability, evaluation, deployment, and monitoring, LangSmith ensures your agents are robust, reliable, and ready for enterprise use. Its seamless integration with LangChain and langgraph makes it the ideal choice for scaling AI solutions. Industry leaders recognize the value of the LangChain ecosystem. As Garrett Spung, Principal SWE, notes, langgraph and LangSmith deliver an out-of-the-box solution for rapid iteration, immediate debugging, and effortless scaling. This endorsement underscores the impact and reliability of the agent engineering stack. With the tools and platforms we've explored, you're ready to build and ship reliable agents faster than ever. The LangChain ecosystem is open source with a generous free tier for LangSmith. Join a thriving community of over 1 million practitioners and start building today. The journey from prototype to production has never been more accessible. The LangChain community is growing rapidly, with millions of monthly downloads and thousands of GitHub stars. This vibrant ecosystem provides support, resources, and inspiration for developers at every stage. By joining the community, you gain access to a wealth of knowledge and best practices. Getting started is simple. Install LangChain and langgraph using pip and you'll be ready to build your first agent in minutes. The free plan includes 5,000 traces per month, along with tracing, online and offline evaluations and monitoring. Comprehensive documentation and a supportive community make onboarding a breeze. Extensive documentation is available to guide you through every aspect of agent development, from basic setup to advanced engineering. Whether you prefer written guides, tutorials, or community forums, you'll find the resources you need to succeed. Support is always within reach, ensuring you never get stuck. LangSmith free plan is generous, offering 5,000 traces per month, comprehensive tracing, online and offline evaluations, and robust monitoring and alerting. This makes it easy to experiment, iterate, and scale your agents without worrying about upfront costs. Take advantage of these benefits to accelerate your development. Signing up is quick and easy. Create your free account, install the necessary packages, and start building your first agent. The platform's intuitive interface and powerful features make it accessible to developers of all skill levels. Begin your journey today and unlock the full potential of agent engineering. For detailed guidance on every aspect of the agent engineering stack, be sure to explore the official documentation. Step-by-step tutorials, API references, and best practices are all available to help you make the most of LangChain, langgraph, and LangSmith. Stay informed and empowered as you build. Ready to take the next step? Create your free LangSmith account and unlock advanced features for agent engineering. With no upfront cost and a generous free tier, there's never been a better time to start building reliable, scalable AI agents. Join the community and shape the future of intelligent automation. Recap: mastering the agent engineering stack involves 3 key phases: rapid prototyping with LangChain, granular control with langgraph, and production-grade engineering with LangSmith. Each tool addresses specific challenges, providing a comprehensive solution for building, deploying, and scaling intelligent agents. By following this roadmap, you'll be well equipped to tackle any agent development project. The future of agent engineering is bright, with new tools and techniques emerging every day. By staying engaged with the community and continuously learning, you'll be at the forefront of this exciting field. Embrace the journey, experiment with new ideas, and contribute to the evolution of intelligent agents. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive tour of the agent engineering stack. We hope you're inspired to start building, experimenting, and deploying your own intelligent agents. Remember, the tools are open source, the community is welcoming, and the possibilities are endless. Start your journey today and shape the future of AI-driven automation.